Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the MYLIFESION brand couch support cushions. We're going to open these up, show you what they look like, test them out underneath the sofa, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get these out of the wrapping, they come individually wrapped, so just want to kind of walk you through that. They do recommend that you give it 48 hours to air out and reshape. So I do want to point out that you will need to do this, and there's something else. It's natural for the color to change, so you know, when exposed to light and air. So it shouldn't matter because it should be underneath the seat cushion, but just want to point these out. Also, if there's any scent, it should dissipate in a few days, so just putting that out there. So let's open it up. So when you unwrap it, you'll see that it kind of starts to stretch out a little bit, fold out. And again, this is still kind of vacuum sealed, so we'll just open it up and show you that, again, it's a two-piece, and as you can kind of see, there's some rippling right now. That will go away, but just want to share kind of that there is a scent for sure. But that should go away, and I don't know that I can properly show it, but there's kind of a bend. So you'll see kind of that it's tighter here, and then it gets thicker in the middle, and then thin at the end again. So I'm gonna let it air out for 2 days, and then we'll continue. All right, so I gave it about 48 hours. I'm just gonna show you two different couch cushions. I'm gonna try and let you guess which one has the insert underneath it. Obviously, we see a pretty significant difference in height on the right, and so I'm just going to show you what it looks like real quick. We just literally just throw that underneath there, and it provides you know, that extra little bounce and space, if you will, versus the saggy old cushion. So to me, it brings life without really having to do much. So these things are definitely worth buying. Super comfortable still when you sit on them. So hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.